I never used an iron again. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a technique so you won't waste energy ironing your clothes again, right? Follow me until the end of this video, which I am sure will surprise you, and you will thank me for this amazing tip. Let's learn how it's done. So, first grab a container here. I'm going to use it. We're going to need alcohol 70. But it could be 46. The alcohol you have at home is good. I'm going to put 150 milliliters of alcohol 70 here in the glass. I'm going to put it all here and pour it into this container. Here, we will also use fabric softener. I'm going to put 150 milliliters of fabric softener. Here, I use this, but you can use the concentrate if you want to increase the scent of your clothes. If it's a lot of clothes you're going to use, just increase the amount of ingredients. Now, it mixes very well. This tip here is very good and worth learning because it will help you a lot. Now, I'm going to transfer our mixture to a spray bottle to make our application easier. Look at this shirt. Crush well, just apply it to a shirt and pass it with your hand. That's right, go ahead, put your hand over. And the bump goes away. Look at this guy, and don't worry, it doesn't stain clothes. With the effect of alcohol, the shirt will dry quickly and not be damp as the alcohol evaporates very quickly. This already helps dry the clothes. No? A personal perfect match. The softening alcohol and the smell that remains on clothes is all good and leaves your clothes soft and fragrant. And that's how it is. Spray the mixture and pass your hand. Super easy, right? And with energy being very expensive. Sure that everything that comes to us for help is saved already a lot. Leaves a wonderful smell. Look how amazing this result is. It can also be applied to pants, perfect for sheets, blankets, underwear, and much more. Easy and energy efficient. So, I hope I helped you with this money-saving video. You will no longer need to use an iron. Look how amazing it is. I hope you liked today's video. Teach everyone this wonderful tip to save money and get great results. Stay with God and see you tomorrow.